Apple has officially revealed the iPhone 17 Pro, and as expected, it's packed with refinements that aim to build on the already impressive foundation laid by the iPhone 16 Pro. At first glance, the design evolution is subtle but meaningful. The iPhone 17 Pro maintains the sleek titanium frame introduced last year, but is now slightly lighter and better balanced in hand. The bezels are thinner, the screen-to-body ratio is improved, and thanks to the introduction of under-display Face ID, the dynamic island is smaller, creating a more immersive front display. It's not a radical redesign, but it feels futuristic compared to the 16 Pro. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro is powered by the A18 Pro chip, based on a new 2-nanometer process. Compared to the A17 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro, the new chip delivers enhanced speed, improved thermal efficiency, and longer battery life. Everyday tasks feel faster, but the real impact is seen in gaming, multitasking, and AI processing. That's because the 17 Pro fully unlocks Apple's new Apple Intelligence system, on-device AI features that bring smarter Siri interactions, writing assistance, real-time transcription, and even context-aware automation. While some AI tools are available on the 16 Pro, the full experience feels more fluid and responsive on the 17 Pro. The camera upgrades this year may not seem massive on paper, but in practice, they make a noticeable difference. Both phones feature a triple camera system, but the 17 Pro introduces improved sensors and better image processing via Smart HDR6 and the next-gen photonic engine. Low-light photography is sharper, colors are more accurate, and the new anti-glare lens coating reduces flaring in night shots. Video lovers will appreciate support for ProRes 8K recording and enhanced stabilization for handheld filming. The front-facing camera now captures more detail in selfies and supports 4K cinematic video with improved subject tracking, another area where the 17 Pro subtly pulls ahead. Battery life on the 17 Pro is also improved, with up to an hour more screen on time compared to the 16 Pro. The new display panel is more power efficient, and the A18 Pro chip does a great job balancing performance and battery draw. Apple has also slightly increased charging speeds, though the difference won't be life-changing for most users. In terms of connectivity, the iPhone 17 Pro steps into the future with Wi-Fi 7 support and an upgraded second-gen ultra-wideband chip. This means faster downloads, better AirDrop performance in crowded areas, and more accurate spatial tracking with accessories like AirTags. While both phones support USB-C, the 17 Pro's data transfer speeds have been bumped up slightly, especially useful for creators moving large video files. So, should you upgrade from the iPhone 16 Pro to the iPhone 17 Pro? If you're a casual user, the differences may not feel dramatic enough to justify the jump. But if you're a power user, a content creator, or someone eager to dive into the full capabilities of Apple Intelligence, then the 17 Pro is clearly the smarter, more future-proof choice. It's not a reinvention of the iPhone, but it's a polished evolution with smarter software, better performance, and cleaner design. Apple didn't need to change everything. They just needed to make everything better. And with the iPhone 17 Pro, that's exactly what they did.